Hello everyone, we are Group 19 and today's our topic is Type 1 hypersensitivity disease. Type 1 hypersensitivity is caused by abnormal production of IgE antibodies against allergens. It causes an immediate allergic reaction within minutes. The mechanism of Type 1 hypersensitivity can be explained by two steps: sensitization and degranulation. Step 1. Upon initial allergen exposure, CD4 plus naive T cells that receive antigen presentation bind to B cells and produce IgM. The B cells then bind to Th2 cells, which differentiate into plasma cells and produce IgE. This process is called a class switch. IgE produced by plasma cells binds via receptors on mast cells. This is called sensitization. Step 2. Re-exposure to the allergen causes IgE to cross-link and activate mast cells. Activated mast cells release cytokines and lipid mediators and induce inflammation. This is called degranulation. I explain the mechanism of sensitization. Dendritic cells that have captured allergens migrate to lymph nodes to present antigens to CD4 plus naive T cells. Antigen presentation occurs when the T cell receptor recognizes the epitope on the MHC class II on the dendritic cell. CD4 plus naive T cells differentiate into Th2 cells under the action of IL-4, a cytokine. Th2 cells activate B cells by binding CD40 ligand to CD40 receptors on B cells and co-stimulating them. In addition, Th2 cells release cytokines such as IL-4 and IL-13 to promote B cell differentiation and proliferation. B cells under the action of cytokines differentiate into plasma cells and produce IgE. IgE binds to Fc receptor 1 on mast cells. Next, I describe the second step, degranulation. When the mast cells are re-exposed to the allergen, the IgE Fc receptor 1 cross-linking is formed. Cross-linking activates mast cells which release cytokines and lipid mediators. Typical examples of lipid mediators released are histamine and leukotrienes. The primary functions of lipid mediators are increased vascular permeability and smooth muscle contraction. In normal blood vessels, substances with large molecular weight, such as proteins, cannot pass through the vessel wall. When the vascular permeability is increased by histamine and leukotrienes, plasma and immune cells leak into tissues, resulting in inflammation. Normal bronchi are circular and have a wide airway. However, lipid mediators cause smooth muscle contraction and narrow the airways. This causes bronchial asthma. Finally, diseases that fall under type 1 hypersensitivity are discussed. Anaphylactic shock may be caused by foods, drugs, or insect venoms such as bees. An allergic reaction on the skin may cause urticaria. Hay fever can cause itchy eyes and rhinitis. Contraction of the smooth muscles of the bronchial tubes and narrowing the airways can cause atopic asthma. Thank you for listening.